Hey guys, Kathy here with Country Cleaning by Kathy, an eco-friendly cleaning business here in the Poconos, Pennsylvania. Alright, so I got my assistants here who are going to help me with this little science experiment.
Hey, look at
Come on,
me.
come over here. Alright, so Dustin, you grab the bottle of the oregano.
I don't know.
And you put one one drop right here in the middle. Okay, just one, Bubby.
I looked you again.
And now, Cody, you grab the Thieves oil and you put it in the middle.
Gimme.
Come over here.
Gimme.
Go ahead. Oh, don't shake us off.
Not dripped everywhere.
There it goes. Yep. See how it's like yellow right there in the middle?
Hey, look
All
at
right,
me,
perfect.
guys.
So now we're gonna.
Guys, look at me.
Guys, listen. So now you're gonna put this in the bag. Put the bread in the bag.
I don't want to.
All right, I'll do it then.
Eat it,
All right, so we'll put. You're not
I'm
gonna eat it.
lazy Batman.
So we're gonna put the bread in the bag, and then
You
we're
guys
gonna
look
keep
at
the
me.
bread in a dark place for about a week or so until the mold grows, and we'll see how the oils help prevent the mold from growing. All right, guys, thanks.
Hey, look at me.